Hello everyone, welcome back to the Planet V and welcome to Budapest in Hungary. We're starting with the iconic chain bridge, the first permanent link between Buda and Pest. You might recognize it from films like I Spy and Blade Runner 2049. At night, it glows against the Danube, a true beauty. From Buda Castle, we're greeted by stunning views of the Pest and the Parliament, reminding us of scenes from Tinker Tailor Soldier Spy where Budapest doubled as Moscow. Next, let's take a look at the historic Funicular, which has been carrying visitors since 1870. Interestingly, it's said to have inspired similar ones in Lyon and Paris. We skipped the ride due to the long queue, but taking the steps instead was a rewarding exercise and well worth the effort. Buda Castle, perched majestically on Castle Hill in Budapest, is a UNESCO World Heritage Site brimming with history and grandeur. Once the royal residence of Hungarian kings, this iconic landmark now houses the Hungarian National Gallery and Budapest History Museum, offering visitors a deep dive into the country's rich cultural heritage. The castle's stunning architecture and panoramic views of the Danube River make it a favorite spot for locals and tourists alike. Film enthusiasts might also recognize it. It served as a picturesque backdrop in The Spy Who Dumped Me featuring Mila Kunis, adding a touch of Hollywood charm to its historic allure. Just nearby, you'll spot the president's residence guarded around the clock. While less grand, it's full of modern political influence, housing Hungary's top official. Fisherman's Bastion looks like something straight out of a fairy tale with its dreamy towers and intricate design. Built in the late 19th century, it was created to celebrate the fishermen who once defended Budapest during the Middle Ages. Perched on Castle Hill, it offers breathtaking panoramic views of the Danube, Parliament, and the city below. St. Matthias Cathedral, with its strikingly vibrant roof tiles and ornate Gothic architecture, is a masterpiece in the heart of Budapest. It holds immense historical significance as the coronation site of several Hungarian kings, including Franz Josef. Beyond its royal connections, this architectural gem is a haven for art enthusiasts with stunning interiors that showcase intricate designs and centuries of history. Its beauty has earned it a spotlight on travel channels worldwide, captivating audiences with its timeless charm. The Trinity Monument stands as a poignant tribute to the victims of the plague, a reminder of Budapest's resilience during one of its darkest times. Dating back to the 18th century, this Baroque memorial is one of the city's oldest and most significant landmarks. Across the Danube, we see Buda, where the hills and historic buildings provide a cinematic view. These views have set the backdrop for countless travel films and documentaries. Hungary's Parliament House is not only one of the largest legislative buildings in the world, but also one of the most recognizable landmarks of Budapest. Its neo-Gothic design, inspired by the British Parliament, makes it a defining feature of the city's skyline along the Danube.
Could be.
This architectural marvel isn't just a political center, it's also a star on the screen, appearing in Marvel's Black Widow and Netflix's Shadow and Bone. With its grand facade, intricate detailing, and breathtaking interiors, it's a must-see for history buffs, architecture enthusiasts, and film lovers alike. The Great Synagogue, Europe's largest, has hosted visits from the Dalai Lama and even Madonna. It's a cultural hub showcasing Budapest's Jewish heritage. The Liberty Bridge, a favorite among locals, connects Buda and Pest with its elegant ironwork and unique charm. It's not just a means of transport. It transforms into a community hub during the summer, hosting yoga sessions, picnics, and lively gatherings. Interestingly, the bridge is painted green to symbolize growth and harmony, aligning with its role as a unifier of the city. Movie buffs might also recognize it from its brief appearance in Transporter 3 starring Jason Statham. Budapest's ruin bars are famous for transforming abandoned buildings into eclectic artsy night spots filled with vibrant energy. They've been featured in travel magazines as must-visit spots to experience the city's unique nightlife. While these bars are beloved by many for their quirky charm and lively atmosphere, we personally didn't connect with the vibe. It's just not our thing. But if you're into creative spaces and want to experience Budapest's alternative scene, the ruin bars are definitely worth checking out. Meet Hungary's beloved chimney cake, a sweet treat with a unique hollow shape that resembles a chimney, both in form and in the way it's freshly cooked. As the cake bakes on a spit, the smoke rising from it gives off the appearance of a chimney. We tried the classic version topped with cinnamon, and it was absolutely irresistible with its crispy, sugary exterior and warm, soft center. A bowl of Hungarian goulash is comfort food at its finest. This hearty and flavorful dish, originally created by herdsmen, has evolved into a beloved classic found in top restaurants worldwide. During our time in Budapest, we couldn't resist trying goulash at nearly every meal, and nearly every version we tasted was incredible. That's for him.
Yes.
What'd you get?
That's how you call it, the thing from the rooster, the head.
A Szechenyi fürdő következik.
We're riding Line 1, Europe's oldest metro line, built in 1896. It's so historic that UNESCO awarded it World Heritage status. Compared to modern systems, it runs closer to the surface, giving it a more accessible, almost quaint feel while still providing a glimpse into Budapest transportation history.
This is the most visited term here in Budapest. We just went inside. It's a bit crowded, so if you want to skip the crowd or avoid the crowd, check the other terms. There are a lot of choices.
Budapest is the city of spas, and the Szechenyi baths are the largest in Europe. It's even been in music videos like Spice Girls' Too Much, and it's a hit on Instagram. This architectural marvel is dedicated to music, inspired by Hungarian composers like Liszt. It's already drawn global attention with its interactive musical experience. We're standing at the 1956 Revolution Monument honoring Hungary's brave resistance against Soviet oppression. This place is often featured on History Channel documentaries. This whimsical castle of agriculture located in City Park resembles a fairy tale. It's actually a mix of different European architectural styles built for the 1896 World Fair. The mysterious anonymous statue honors Hungary's first chronicler. Touching his pen is said to inspire creativity, a tradition embraced by writers and artists alike. Hero Square is a grand tribute to Hungarian leaders. It has seen countless events and even a Red Bull F1 race. The towering columns are iconic worldwide. St. Stephen's Cathedral, named after Hungary's first king, houses his mummified right hand, a relic that draws thousands each year. Géllert's baths, with its stunning Art Nouveau architecture, is one of the iconic spas that earned Budapest its nickname City of Spas. Known for its beautiful mosaics, thermal pools, and historical charm, it's often featured in travel shows as a top relaxation spot. If you're looking to avoid the crowds at some of the more popular baths, Géllert is a great choice for a more peaceful and serene experience, all while soaking in the city's rich spa tradition. Going now to the outdoor pool. It's 3 degrees outside, but the outdoor pool is 36 degrees, so
It'll be enjoyable.
As night falls, Budapest's darker tales come to life. From vampire folklore to haunting legends, the city's mysteries run deep, adding a touch of magic to our adventure and ensuring that your future visit to the city will be equally captivating. We appreciate you watching this far into the video. If you enjoyed it, please consider subscribing, leaving a comment, and liking the video.